Assalamu alaikum. Today I have an amazing AI tool that change your social media game forever. If you are a social media creator or simply someone who make a lot of posts, or you find a content for graphic designing or suitable images and want a good looking post, just go on this website. Before learning about website, show this video. I created this 25-second video with just one prompt. Not only these, but all these memes are also created by this website. You can also create any type of meme by just writing one sentence. So what to do? Just come on the Google Chrome and write WA tool #playlist.ai. I will also link of description. Go out, log in Google. Click on your Google account and it will go on the website. The website is here. Just go on the content library. Click on the create one, create new. It will ask you about which type of post you want to create. So hereby I want to create a business post. You can make any type of post according to your choice. So it will ask you some question. How do you describe yourself or your business? Mean your business is about which? Look this. I told him I want to promote my business, which is according to help people for balance and healthy diet. What do you say I promote? I hereby promote balanced diet. If you sell anything, you can write here. Who is your customer? Mean scope of your business. Here my customer are both young and older. What benefit do they get? Healthy life with balanced diet. You can fill this form according to your social media post or according to your business. So just go on the next. It will ask you about post theme. So here my post is according to promotional. Yes, I want to promote my business basically. So next, it will create a different type of videos. You can also create an ad, single image, story and creation. Okay. I hereby click on the single image and you can see it created your brochure in a very well manner. You can edit also according to your choice. It will also create some stories for your Instagram or Facebook or WhatsApp account. So let's me play some. I hereby choose a video and just click on the next. Okay, generate. The video is hereby generated. Wait for a while. The video is about to be played, so just look how the video is to be made. So this is 50-second video. You can edit this text or this clip according to your choice or according to your text. You can edit anything and change the content according to your choice. So make your ad now, make your video now, promote your business and must tell me in the comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.